Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a Nissan Armada key fob. Start inside the vehicle with doors closed and both fobs on hand, then insert the key and turn to ACC without starting the engine. Follow the procedure to enter programming mode, press the buttons when prompted, and finish by testing lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm successful programming. Sit comfortably and move calmly through each step so your car registers the new fob. Use the working fob as a reference if prompts differ, and wait for vehicle confirmations like hazard flashes. If programming many fobs, complete them in the same session so the vehicle stores each one. Always finish by locking and unlocking the doors to ensure every function responds correctly before finishing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while working on car projects and is easy to carry to the driveway or garage, so you won't interrupt a programming step for a drink. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the first attempt fails, don't panic. Small issues like weak batteries or open doors cause most problems. Repeat the sequence deliberately, making sure you pause exactly where required and watch for the hazard light confirmation. If nothing changes, consult a dealer or locksmith for advanced diagnostics, but many users resolve issues by swapping batteries or trying the steps one more time with precise timing and closed doors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.